add here some onions. Yeah, I have 2 seasoning and salt and curry powder. So it's time to add in some water. Okay. Just have to cover and allow it to. Yeah, I have 1 onions, 1 bell pepper, and 2 scotch bonnets. Just going to blend that. So let's start by adding a little bit of oil to the pan and our gizzard. I'm going to add my pepper mix. I'm also adding basilic. This is dried basilic. So this is how I'm cutting my plantain. I'm just cutting it into cubes. I don't want it to be too big. So I'll add in a little bit of salt. Meanwhile, our gizzard sauce is cooking. So I'm just going to add a little bit of the stock. Add in the bell pepper and just take a look at that. Looking so beautiful. I'm just going to cover and allow it simmer a little bit before I add my plantain. So our plantain is ready. So guys, our Gizdodo is ready. Take a look at that beauty. Looking so beautiful. Man, it's time to eat. I'm so hungry. What I love about this is that you can eat it with anything and everything. So I'm going to be pairing mine with some rice. Just a bit of rice. Yummy, yummy.